Cheater Caught Red-Handed. Jamaican Movies 2023. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss, Jamrock Home Production.
Jeremiah?
Yes, my wife.
I'm glad you're out here. I'm so tired. I tried to hurry and come back.
You're no longer out here, my wife.
Oh, Lord.
Because
Whew.
I'm hungry, you know.
You're hungry? We get a little stuff, you know? All your favorites. All this she buy for us, you know, so we can wash our clothes and all.
That's why you're glad I take care of my daughter, you know.
You see your face? You remember this morning you never want me to go down there door.
I can drink some tea and eat
Eat
little
a cracker.
crackers.
Yes. And
What?
bread is in there as well.
All bread to my wife?
Yes, and cheese is in there as well.
Wow.
She know exactly what we want, you know, so she take care of we good, clean daughter. I have something to say to you. You see all of them nice, they what we hear morning time over with neighbor yard. A big problem over there, you know.
What you saying to me?
I saw Sean this morning, and my God, the young man in a pain and agony. You don't know, so him say the girl over there and don't even want to make tea for him.
What?
Him don't get no tea at all a morning time.
But my
Him
wife,
have to leave and go work without it.
from you look on that woman, you can see say that woman is very lazy, you know, my wife.
Yes, to me.
All she do, you know, I just step on phone at daytime and I put on makeup, you know.
You remember you tell me that that's all you see she doing?
That's all.
And what is young people take life for? They think that is only hairstyle and makeup them must have on?
And my wife, you know, say, I've been noticing something.
What?
Right? I out here all long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you know that I see Errol go over the yard.
Why Errol going over there and him brother not there? And he
That's
know
what I
say-
am here sitting down
Him know
watching
say
to see
Ghana
how long
work.
him go take to come out of the house.
That's why.
Because if your brother is not there, oh,
Why?
you're in the house so long.
Yes,
Huh?
but by the way, him should have never come up there and him brother because to all time stay now. You can't trust anybody. I wonder what him up to.
And she in the house with him and she not even say, your brother is not here, it's time to go. It look like that she inveigling it, you know.
So you never cock your ears to hear what they're doing over there?
No, my wife, me just come right here, come sit down, you know, because me want them know, say, me there here and me
And you
and
see
watch and
everything.
see everything what is going on.
My God.
So when them come out today, them will know what time it is.
I love that my husband because guess me what? I said to Sean, I said, Sean, me and you bear every pain a morning time.
And you can see that young man work very hard to take care of that woman, you know.
How you mean if him work very
Huh?
hard? You know, see how she look good? You know what him
God.
tell me, say? She then laugh of time and then when him leaving, she then tell him how she want to order here online. I don't know what the online is all about, but he said she want here online. And he said she don't even wash in clothes, you know. Not even that. So I tell him to bring the clothes them over because we will wash it. What you think about that?
You will wash it if you
I will,
want.
that's what I mean. But what I'm saying, I even said to him, don't worry yourself. We have a nice and clean daughter. Him can make sure left
Exactly.
and take for with daughter. What you
Exactly.
think of with daughter don't have a man and she just so nice and looks so good.
And at least he will take care of her because him have a very good job.
Yes, and I think the two of
Why
them would look so well
you're
together.
thinking very wide, you know.
Of course I'm thinking, them have to think about our daughter.
So what him say about it?
He said he will think about it because it look like him very interested in it.
Yes, my wife. Because that woman, you know, my wife, she need to go, you know.
Of course. Because every morning before the man leave for work, the woman cussing him off. That couldn't be right, my husband.
My wife, let me tell you something. You see, when you marry them young girl, yeah, and them not experience nothing in a life, them just feel like, say, a time for them experience things, you know.
Yes,
And
sir.
then not realize how hard people have to work out there for maintain them, you know, my wife.
They
right?
don't care about
And you
those
know when
things.
they miss out, when time the good man gone and then
Gone
pick up
and
some
left them
little hole.
riff-raff.
Me not even like I go
So
call the
riff
word.
raff.
Huh?
riff raff, and that is what they forget, because if they don't understand life and know that you can't get up every day doing that stupidness, nobody say you must not take care of yourself, but
Yes,
you
my wife,
fix
but
up the yard and make sure when the man come home the place nice and clean
that's
and him
what
having
I'm
nice
saying, my
food.
wife. If you see that the man working so hard, right? I don't say she not supposed to set up herself, but
Right.
try to invest in a little business so you can help up. You understand? Help
You
up
see
her
she
husband.
you see she want to do that?
Only thing she want to do is put on makeup and on phone every day.
And they,
Huh?
they pop out big laugh like she rich. And God they know she don't come from nowhere and they treat a boy like that.
Exactly. That's the reason why she behaves. So if she was coming from a home
Proper home.
where her parents and school are in the right way, she wouldn't be behaving
No,
like that.
she would know what it is to have a good
Yeah,
man
but
and
you're
take
the
good
old
care
saying
of
them
them.
say, never come see. Huh?
And they also say when must a kitchen cloth come turn tablecloth.
And at that she come to know tablecloth. Because you see how long the man in the house with her.
But me say you should have cock your ears for ear if you
My
hear
wife,
anything.
it
But him
just
shouldn't go
don't
at the
look
people
right.
them. Him should never go at the boy yard and him not there. Nowadays you can't trust nobody, you know. You know that?
You know, say my wife, I think you should tell him, because I don't think he know that him brother come in there one time him gone to work,
You
my
know
wife.
that I will tell him everything. It's because I never really see you always out here forget all of the scoop I mean, see. So when I see him, I will let him know that when saw him left, him, but it look like he's calling brother call, so him know exactly when
Exactly.
him gone.
Exactly, my wife. Exactly. Now you're just seeing in my way.
Well, look here. I am glad that she's doing that. Because when she do that,
It's more opportunity
It's
for
more-
our daughter. Exactly. Because she don't want nothing.
she don't want the man as far as I can see.
She only craving for the money.
But
That's all.
I can, after we cannot allow that. We cannot allow that because he's our neighbor and we love him as a son-in-law.
Exactly.
So
my
we
wife.
are not going to let any old riffraff come take disadvantage of our good neighbor. So anyway, I don't want to take up too much time out here, even though you say you're watching to see what time that's our scumbag coming out of.
My wife, I'm not going inside, my wife. If
You
at
don't want
night
to come
before
with
him
me?
leave, my wife, I will be here because I want that girl to say somebody see what taking place.
But you don't know that these young people don't even care if anybody see what them doing. You know, see the kind of dirtiness that they are doing all over the world. They don't care if you want to catch them.
Well,
Them can't shame, you know.
well, I am doing this for my daughter, so if I have to stay here the whole day and watch him yard, that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Right?
You should have a phone here as well to take the picture. So,
That's what, because
So
sometimes
Sean
they
will-
won't believe,
right. So you
When
have
you're coming back, me wife.
concrete evidence.
My phone
No,
there
but-
on the bedside table, bring it come so when I see them come out, I can video them, my wife. Because sometimes people need a little proof, sometimes word of mouth don't cut it,
No, you
So
have
bring
to
my
have.
phone when you make breakfast. It on the bedside table and not stay too long.
So look here, you don't want to come inside
No,
out of
my
this.
wife, I'm not going in.
That's why I love you, my husband. I want you to see everything. So
If
that
you
means
put up a camera, so me will be the camera for you, my wife. Just go make breakfast. Before you eat, my wife, before you make breakfast, just bring the phone on the bedside table.
all
bring
right,
it
let
up.
me rush for it.
Because
I'll
I
come back.
don't
You
want
hear?
a moment pass me,
All right, I'm coming. Let me hurry. All right, let me hurry.
So, why me and your brother can't live so?
But say, they always say, seven brother, seven different mind. You understand?
Let me say, you just so tender with me and nice with me. You just talk good things about me. Him don't say nothing nice about me,
From you and him there,
When me and him just say him say it, but all of a sudden just stop like me nothing about me no good. He
So
just
what me a
always
try
have
to
bad
say?
things to say.
what me I try to understand now, right? So, you love dead for him?
No, me love Quay and dead for my husband. Me love my husband, he take care of me and make me look good. You don't know that? Look how him take care of me.
Yeah,
So me
say
love
no.
no dead film is just that the way him a behave, him just turn me off. Me nobody want like him. Like me feel like me I get to like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause me love how you talk about me. You
So-
say me deserve every nice things. Him don't tell me that.
So what you plan to do then?
What you mean
You
what me a
plan to give me
plan?
a chance in your life?
Me not think so. Oh, me for this just jump and do that so. Me don't think see I do nothing for me. You know say even this morning I said to that youth. Me say me still some nice Brazilian earphone line. They sell out cheap.
Eh, I know, so me can buy one for you though.
Then get I don't know much, you know. Me tell you it's a 36,000 ad, so roughly you can give me 50,000. And if you
So
still look for me,
why you can't buy that for you?
he look like says the whole world me ask him for him don't even look for me with him dirty eye and just step out left me.
Eh, you
Yeah.
can buy it for you if you want, you know, but if me buy it for you, you now go suspect I wonder where you get money from to buy it.
Him no business about nothing. Him don't even recognize when me dress up and look good. Him don't even say me look pretty now nothing. What you mean say him a go find out? Him nah know nothing at all. So you go buy it for me?
You buy it for you, but
Eh.
me like give you the money and you deal with it.
Thanks. Alright then. Well, if you say so.
No, man,
Me
I
want-
give you the money.
me
By
nah bother
next
ask
week, me
him.
give you money.
Next week you will give me?
Yeah, man.
So quick.
So what? Anything for you, no, man.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
Oh God. Thanks. Anyway, I go for the breakfast for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you know say this morning me say me no hot up some chicken foot soup game for him breakfast.
How long me not drink that soup there?
So me you know want that instead of want little fry stuff they want to good for
Yeah,
you.
that is better. Because I like soup, you know, man.
Eh? So every minute when I cook soup, I cook it every day so you come up here for it.
So you see him, you did again?
When I get and say come and quarrel, I don't say nothing to him, I just make him galang and walk. I can go buy something for
So
road.
that means say no, say you look like some really special to you, know, because if you are going to give me film soup, that means I'm not really special.
Oh, you mean? That's not nothing. That's not nothing what more than do for you.
What you say?
Then look here, if me I do things same and him complain over everything and me not him do nothing much for you and you grateful, what you think? Eh?
Reality
And
talking.
one thing me know woman love complimenting, you don't know that.
That's true.
All if we don't look good, we look dry up and all of that. We love when man say, we look good.
True, you talk.
Thanks, you hear if you tell me, say me look good.
Anytime, man. So you got hot up your soup?
What you mean if we have got to be soup? Anything for you. You don't know that?
Alright, come deal with it for me.
Yeah, so you're not come off my bed. You don't intend to come off my bed.
So want me can't eat breakfast in bed?
No.
Or you want me come in the kitchen?
You're not easy. Come go in the dining room. Oh, you bright, sir. Come go in the dining
I
room.
like same day here. I don't need meat in a bed.
Me not say no, but we not practice that.
So what, we can't break the rule for once?
Yes, but we don't want to eat yesterday, man. We go in the dining room. Why? I say your chest feel good. Why? You
Lift
feel
weights,
good.
you know?
You a man like you, me did one long time, you know. Or a man will lift weight and boy, you just feel warm and feel nice.
No, but that alone feel warm, you know?
I don't know what
You will see,
I don't know what you're talking about and I don't want to know because that don't sound right. Anyway, me I go feel, oh my God, me feel like me not even want to let you go.
You have to let me go.
Oh, me say that.
I could join for life.
Oh! Me couldn't meet you before me meet you, brother. You don't know what me did sip on that boy there.
Just time do everything in a
Yeah,
minute,
'cause
because
me
you
never-
don't know him ways nor nothing.
Yeah,
Time, you know?
Oh, this just feels nice. All right.
Yeah, come in and break your rule. You say if you come in
Alright,
there,
come
then
on.
so come in there with you.
Mm-hmm.
Jeremiah is what you see. What you see? Anything happening? Him gone yet?
Him not gone all now, you know, my wife.
So is what you see while me see you bend down looking like
I hear them in there chatting and laughing, you know.
oh,
Like them having a good time inside, you know.
what you saying? Oh my God. Oh boy, what is wrong with these young people, man? Anyway, I'm not going to stay with you.
Wife,
Hmm?
something just look fishy, right?
Yes.
You mean to tell me that your brother not dead and he look like the whole day him a go spend there? Eh?
Oh
I
Lord.
just be a giggle. Me hear the woman in there go
But
on, you know.
what could sweet her son? Me never hear she dey laugh with her
I
husband
hear
yet.
say,
It's only cause him cuss the man.
if you know, say, it look like that she comfortably in the house. Mighty God.
We have to get to the bottom of this to let him know what she doing in the bed.
Exactly.
Boy, you sorry for that poor little old man. Is who that? See somebody there? Is who that?
I know him, my wife.
It's not him.
No, sir.
Oh, because I still like the person watching us too. So
I don't know if I tell him, I go tell them, you know, my wife.
I see it's who. Is somebody else going down to the other yard? Yes, it's nobody come from over that place. Anyway, I'm going inside to finish your breakfast. You hear me?
All right, my wife.
And you better put it on record from early that when they're coming out, you catch everything. You hear?
That's what I'm doing right now, my wife.
All
Me no
right.
want miss a second because you know how that's sweet. If them a come out and then kiss and me just snap them to my wife. So that would be a bigger proof, you know, so you know say with that we get in faster.
Oh, Lord.
Just hurry up and make a little breakfast to me, my wife.
All right, good. All right. Don't worry yourself. All right. I'll soon come back. You hear?
Hurry up, my wife,
Yes.
hurry up. Them think them a come out just so. Them no know say me have my phone out here so with me, you know. So any little funny movement they up to, I shall catch them today.
So, Errol,
Yes, babes.
so tell me something, you don't have a woman?
Yeah, me dey have a one woman, yes, but why? It's a long story, you know.
So, me not understand. What do you mean by it's a long story?
When you bring the food, come we talk about it.
No, but me I ask you something. Me ask up food, you know.
Babes,
What is the problem with you and your woman? Because I don't understand if you is all this goody man, or your woman leave you.
You know, say, one day me there at work and I don't really feel so good. So, my boss decides, say, he must send me home. The site when me go home for go see is not a site.
What kind of sight?
The woman move out everything in my house.
What you mean by she move out everything in your house?
So now what me I tell you?
While you there work? So she didn't give no sign so she gonna left you? So she just left you so you so nice.
Probably that's why she left me because me too nice.
But
You
who are run from good
see me?
things?
You know only thing where the woman left in the house see me?
wow.
One little old radar lean up in the corner. Bed, dresser, TV, whatnot, everything in the house, you know.
But at least she left something for you. You stay there. Some woman run dig out everything and don't even left you with a pin. So stay there. But anyway, you're a good man, so me know say in no time you don't go back on your foot.
You back on my foot long time, man.
So look here. So if you left on your foot, why you want to come mash up your brother like? Me don't understand that. That don't look right.
I not really mash up in life.
What you mean?
Him not treat you good.
Yeah, nah, treat me good, but that not simple mean. You don't want to see your brother sad.
But he already sad.
Yeah, but moon do that.
So you want me part time in your life then, like me
So
live on the
banana
side.
them buy some banana there come and them look like them so ripe. All of them so
I
ripe
say
and
for
spoiled.
part time you want me in your life or full time.
I want a good man. That is what me want. Me don't know part-time man. Why you think me married you? Hmm? You think a part-time me I look man for?
So what you plan for? Do you plan to give him a divorce?
I don't know about that yet, you know. You
So now that
have
me I try to figure it out. You
But-
want me part time in your life or
But
full
don't
time?
listen to me. Me never tell to me I give them a chance either, you know. Me tell to me like man like you still. But look, you know, me don't know your ways now nothing my youth.
But it will take a little time so when him gone to work me can come up here. So you can know my ways and know me stay.
But you're not going to show your true colour, so you think me a
No, but
idiot.
you have to live with me to see me true
But
colour.
that me I say
But
because
as me I tell you from day one, like how you see me, I see him so me stay, no different.
everybody say the same thing. I'm sure say that me don't say about myself. Until when we they you start find fault and start treat me bad, even worse than what him used to do. But I mean I know about this now. Our life is a challenge. Because I mean I understand how you nice so. And then all of a sudden your woman move out, everything gone with it. Then I wish she could have gone so. So you don't know what she did?
Up to today, day, me not bless them here upon her.
And you so nice. Me don't understand that at all. You know say when me lie down on the bed, something come to me, you know.
Eh.
Me let me couldn't tell my husband say me I go spend weekend with my mother. And me and you spend little time together. What you think?
That sound good.
Sound good, me no say no sir.
That sound good, so at least you can spend some time with me and I don't want to come and me I did want to go rent somewhere.
Why me I want to come here, yeah?
And that to because you can pop up on me and in time so better we just
What
go
if
rent
him come there to come complain? I mean, well, in your house, I order to them go.
Truth. You can rent somewhere, man.
Well, that's what I should have said. I think about it, but I don't say it's a guarantee still. You understand?
Like how you talk back and front or back and did you?
No, me just
If
have
you
to
make up your mind, you make up your mind, you know.
Remember-
Because me ready long time, you know, it come like say, oh, you're not sure where you want to do.
Me not sure because too all your brother stay. Me I wonder if you stay the same
And
way.
me tell you, say, me not stay the same way. Why you can't take my word for it?
But yeah, that's the problem. Everybody say them good. See when they're with them a different something, them start see a different colour.
Say nobody want to hear then.
What you mean is me nobody want to hear them, me could have refused that. You know, see everybody else in the acting hairstyle and me, look for when me in this. And if you want to come out now, of
Listen,
course me want it.
But give me a chance in your life, or that
You know that me I think about to do my youth. Yeah, go on so.
So by when you feel say you can get the answer for 10 where you up to. I give you time, you know, because I don't really want to rush things to, you know. I give you time to adjust and see what is what.
Oh, no problem. By weekend, we'll tell you what is what.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Ethic alongside system. Up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
And see the river just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now, clear the path.